Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to fix Wise app login and verification errors on your iPhone step by step. First, check your internet connection, turn airplane mode on, then off, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Wise needs a stable internet connection or login will fail. Second, make sure you are using the correct email or number. Open the Wise app login screen, double check your email, phone number or country code. A single wrong character causes login failure. Third, fix code not received problems. If you are not getting the verification code, tap recent code, check SMS, email and spam folders. Make sure your phone has network signal. If using VPN, then turn it off. Fourth, update or reinstall the Wise app. Go to the app store, then search for Wise app, then update. If it still fails, long press the app, then remove app, then reinstall. Many login bugs fix instantly after an update. Fifth, kill your login blocks or lockouts. Too many login attempts can lock your account. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then try again. Use login with email link if available. Sixth, complete your ID verification. If you see verification required, go to account, then verification, upload your ID, selfie or address document. Wise won't let you log in fully until verification is completed. Seventh, fix Face ID or device error. Go to settings, then Face ID and passcode, then other app, then enable Wise. Make sure your iPhone isn't in low power mode. Restart your iPhone and try again. 8. Contact Wise support. On the login screen, tap help, choose login issue or verification problem, submit your email. Wise will unlock or verify your account, and that's it. Follow those simple steps and you can fix most Wise login or verification error on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.